Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. So for today's Dollar Tree Craft with Me, I have a special little DIY that I will be making for my daughter's remote online class for tomorrow morning. So it is their last week before winter break, and all week they've been doing fun little contests to make the week a lot funner. And today they had a wacky hair day, which fortunately my daughter was able to be voted to come in for first place. It was a cute little thing that we put together, really simple. We just teased her hair crazy and wacky, and then we added this little clip that I picked up at Dollar Tree that had a cardinal sitting in some greenery and a couple little pine cones, and then I added an LED light strand wire set, and I just placed the battery pack in her hood in the back of her sweater, and it was a great success. She came in first place and she was extremely happy. So now tomorrow they will be doing an ugly sweater contest, and I think I have gathered some supplies that I already had on hand to put together this ugly sweater for her. So the sweater I already had on hand. It was a hand-me-down and it was a really nice sweater, but it's just a little bit too itchy for her. So I figured this would be the perfect sweater to use. And all the other items that I will be using are from Dollar Tree, with the exception of these mini stockings that I had picked up a while back at Dollarama. But if you are at Dollar Tree, then definitely you will be able to find these mini stockings there if this is an ugly sweater that you want to try out for yourself. So if you care to see how I put this ugly sweater together, then keep on watching. Okay, so for my daughter's ugly sweater, I'm going to be making a fireplace. So I'm going to start working on the bottom section here first. So to make the opening for the fireplace, I have this felt sheet that I picked up at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to be cutting it down about that much so it's a little bit more square in shape, because it's just a little bit too long. So now that I have my insert, I'm going to go ahead and draw some flames on this thick craft glitter paper that I picked up at Dollar Tree. This is so pretty, and when I purchased it, there was 2 sheets in the package for $1.25. I already used the 1 sheet, so I thought this would be perfect to make some faux flames. And I think, being that it glitters, it would almost make it seem like the fire was burning. At least I think so. So let me go ahead and draw a couple of flames, cut those out, and glue those down. Next, I need to make some logs for my fire, and for that I'm using the Dollar Tree burlap ribbon, and I just cut it. You can cut them as long as you want your logs to be, and instead of rolling it this way, I just rolled it this way and then glued that down to make my logs. So I already pre-made those, so I'll just be gluing them down like so. So now, taking my Dollar Tree ornament ball marker, I'm going to be making some horizontal lines going across till about this point here, so that I will make the bottom portion resemble bricks on the fireplace to separate it from the top, which will be the mantle. Hey guys, so it is coming together really nice. I actually like this sweater. I don't know how ugly it's going to be. I actually think it looks really pretty, but of course it's not a sweater that you would wear every day. So now the rest of the items that I have to decorate this fireplace is some garland that I have from the Dollar Tree of the 15-foot roll. I have this mini wreath that I picked up at the Dollar Tree that I want to hang above my fire. And then I have my little mini stockings and then a couple of snowmen ornaments that I picked up at Dollar Tree that I had used in another DIY, and I thought I would add them to this sweater as well. But I didn't want to glue on the garland and the wreath and the stockings because I want this to be easy for her to put on and take off. So what I thought would be the best solution for this was to actually use the command hooks. And I was fortunate enough to find a bunch of these at Dollar Tree only one time. But I think that I'm going to use them here. And I will actually glue these to the sweater because at least when she puts it on, she's not going to have the bulk of all of the items. I can glue these on and then I can just place the garland and hang the stockings off of the clips. This way I can take everything off when she's done and then she can take it off with ease. So unfortunately, I can't do that right now because I want her to put the sweater on so I can see where I need to place my command hooks. So in the morning when we wake up, and we're going to try to get up a little bit earlier, I'm going to have her put it on, and then with the ornament ball marker, I will just mark the spots where I need to glue down my command hooks, and then she can take the sweater off. I can glue the command hooks down. She can put the sweater back on, and then I can place all of the items in place. I think that's the best way to do this, because if this is something that she just wants to keep, then we can take all of the items off so that we can store it a little bit easier, so that if she does want to use it again, then it's not going to be so bulky when we put it away. And I also don't want to damage it when she's taking it on and off. So I'm going to close the camera for now, but I will open it up again in the morning and we'll continue putting this ugly sweater together. I cannot wait to see how it turns out. Okay, so it's bright and early in the morning and my daughter Samantha has just put the sweater on. So now I went ahead and I placed the little command hooks on the sweater and just marked it out with that ornament ball marker so that I know where I need to place them. So now she's just going to go ahead and take the sweater off. I'll glue those command hooks down and then I will be able to attach the garland and the wreath and maybe a light strand so that we can light her up. As Samantha had the sweater on, I also went ahead and marked out a spot on each arm where I will be gluing down a Dollar Tree magnetic button to hopefully hold up the snowmen on each side of her sweater. So the snowmen would have been really cute. The one snowman was standing up pretty good on my daughter's arm, but the other one kept flopping back. So I thought I would just change the snowman and put something a little bit smaller in height so that it would sit on her arms better. And looking through my stash, I found these ornaments, which I think will go really nice with the sweater because it's flashy, it's sparkly, and it just fits the theme of the sweater for the ugly sweater. So I did get two for $1.25, which works great because I need two. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a magnet to the bottom of these and then place these on her arm and show you how adorable she looks in her ugly sweater. All right, everyone, so here is first of all my daughter Samantha. Samantha, say hi to everyone. Hi. And here is her ugly sweater. How adorable is this? Okay, Samantha, stretch your arms out. And there is the fireplace with the mantle, the garland, the lights, the stockings, and the wreath at the center. I think it is absolutely adorable, and it was all put together with items from Dollar Tree. I think that whether she wins or loses the contest, it really doesn't matter because she looks super cute in it. And I love the fact that I can remove the garland, the lights, the stockings, the wreath, and then I can put it away, store it away, and then when she's ready to wear it, we can just hook everything on those command hooks. I'll just show you a little closer here. I decided to put the ornaments on the mantle instead, and I think they look really cute. The gold goes with the gold of the fireplace, and the green with the green of the garland. I think it looks really cute, and it is smaller and it stays much better on her arms. Well guys, that will do it for this DIY. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Give Samantha a thumbs up for being such a good model. Her arms are a little sore holding everything up. Put them up against Samantha one last time. And I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. We would absolutely love and appreciate it. And as always, guys, you take care, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Say bye, Samantha.
Bye.
And put your arms out so we can see it. Oh, that's great. Okay, guys, take care. Bye. Okay guys, so I thought that I was done with the DIY, and then I got another idea. So the item that you see here, right here, is another Dollar Tree item. It's actually a Dollar Tree gift box. So I took the cover and then I cut out a piece in the center so that Samantha's head could poke through, because what do we put on mantles? We put pictures. So I figured I'd put her head to good use and have her pretty face in a picture frame. So Samantha, arms out, and there it is, her ugly sweater all complete. Smile, Samantha. Bye, guys.